Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you BoldTrail CRM Review 2025. So here's the overview and core features of BoldTrail CRM is that it is an all-in-one real estate platform, CRM, IDX websites, marketing automation, back office and transaction tools that rebranded from KiwiCore in mid-2024. Core capabilities include SEO-optimized IDX websites with MLS integration, advanced filters, behavior tracking, and AI-driven property suggestions. Smart CRM with automated drip campaigns, email or SMS, lead scoring, and mass messaging capabilities. Lead capture via PPC, social media, landing pages, and unified analytics, and business insights dashboard for lead performance, campaign ROI, team metrics. Brokerage features transaction or commission management, QuickBooks or e-signature integration. Strength of BoldTrail CRM is that it's from lead generation to closing. BoldTrail handles the full funnel, IDX sites, CRM, marketing, automation, transactions, and back office. User satisfaction scores consistently around 4.4 to 4.5 or 5 across Software Advice, Capterra, and GetApp. Agents report strong lead flow from PPC or social campaigns with analytics breakdowns and cost per lead metrics. Mass messaging, drip campaigns, and behavior tracking are praised, works amazing with Facebook marketing, and features like document management, commission reports, agent performance, and QuickBooks Sync offer strong brokerage support. While weakness of BoldTrail CRM is that its many users find it complex, initial setup and feature discovery can be overwhelming. Reports of slow load times, glitches in campaign tools, buggy CMS features, and inconsistent alerts, especially on mobile. Mixed feedback, helpful training, and articles exist, but long wait times for live support are common. Basic license can be generous, but essential features like smart numbers, e-sign, and back office modules often require extra fees. Messaging tools restrict attachments, emojis, multi-person chat, and customization, frustrating some users. Users moving from Boomtown report lost task, OFT outsync issues, and SEO site concerns. BoldTrail CRM is best for back office, commission tracking, centralized operations, and automation lead tools, campaigns, analytics, customizable workflows, and PPC and social lead capture, IDX, agility, behavior-based nurturing tools. It value from integrated IDX plus CRM plus automation. Avoid if you are non-tech savvy or want a lightweight CRM, setup complexity and support lag may frustrate. BoldTrail CRM 2025 is a powerhouse and integrated platform combining IDX, CRM, marketing automation, and brokerage tools with strong AI capabilities and impressive analytics. It's highly rated from 4.4 to 4.5 or 5, especially among users who leverage its breadth of tools. However, its complexity, occasional performance issues, inconsistent customer service, and extra fees can deter solo agents or those seeking simplicity. So basically, this is the review of BoldTrail CRM 2025. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.